Welcome sa part 2 ng On Your Mark, Get Set, Go na video lecture patungkol sa list of formula. So, last video lecture, pinag-usapan natin yung sequence and series, statistic, probability. Ngayon, algebra, geometry, trigonometry. So, sa algebra, meron tayong mga forms dito. Quadratic formula, difference of two squared, perfect square trinomial, sum and difference of two cubes. So, sa quadratic formula, ito yung x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. So para magamit mo yung formula na to, dapat yung discriminant mo is positive. So yung b squared minus 4ac mo is greater than 0. So para magamit din natin, kailangan din more tayo mag-identify ng a, b, at c. Gamitin natin itong equation na to. So yung a natin is 1 since walang matabi si x. B is 3, ito yung matabi ni x. At C is 1 yung last time. So, solve na natin kung ano yung value ng x dito. Check muna natin discriminant. Dito, makikita natin 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1. So, 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So, positive siya. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin yung quadratic formula. So, substitute lang natin yung A, B, at C. At makukuha na natin yung dalawang sagot natin since negative B plus minus siya. So, yung sagot natin dito sa equation na to ay x is equal to negative 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. At negative 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Yan, difference of two squares naman. Ang formula na to ay a squared minus b squared is equal to quantity a plus b times quantity a minus b. So yung tsura ng mga tanong na ganito is find the value of x if x is equal to 1500 squared minus 1200 squared. So, substitute lang natin yung A sa 1500 at B sa 1200 since kamukha niya yung form ng A squared minus B squared. So, substitute na natin siya. So, magiging x is equal to A squared minus B squared. So, magiging 1500 squared minus B squared. 1200 squared. So, magiging quantity 1500 plus 1200 times quantity 1500 minus 1200. So, pag sinimplify na natin, ang final answer is 810,000. So, ang perfect square trinomial, ang itsura ng formula na to, may dalawang siyang form, quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, tsaka quantity a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, para magamit mo yung formula na ito, yung equation na maganto, dapat yung discriminant mo is equal to 0. So, try natin. So, gamitin natin yung equation na to. Oops. Uh, Bigyan natin. So, A mo is 1, B mo is 4, at C mo is. So, pag sinubstitute natin yung mga values sa discriminant, dito mo 4 squared minus 4 times 4 times 1, 16 minus 16. So, biniging 0 siya. Dito, para makuha natin agad yung value ng x, since makikita natin yung equation, kumukha siya ng form na ito, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Yung pwede natin gawin, kunin natin yung b squared para sa b. So, kunin lang natin yung square root ng 4. So, magiging 2 siya. So, b is equal to 2. So, magiging kamukha na siya ng quantity a plus b squared. So, kung mo lang yung square root, magiging x plus 2 is equal to 0. Lipat mo yung 2. So, magiging x is equal to negative 2. Next naman, geometry. Meron tayong Pythagorean theorem. Ito yung a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Yung geometric theorem of the sum of the squares of the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So, yung C, yung hypotenuse, A, B, at right triangle. Ngayon, so, meron tayong area and perimeter. perimeter is the distance around the shape. Area is the space inside the shape. Ito yung diagram na magpapalibot ng perimeter area na sa loob. Volume and surface area. The surface area is the area occupied by the surface of the object. Volume is the amount of space available. So sa area and perimeter, meron tayong maraming polygon na para magamit yung mga area and perimeter. So, muna, yung triangle. Yung formula ng perimeter nyo is pag-add mo lang yung sides niya, which is A plus B plus C. A times C times B. Pag-add mo lang siya. Plus, area niya naman is A is equal to 1 half base times C. Yung base, ito yung opposite ng hypotenuse, yung height ito yung from base to the peak, peak ng hypotenuse. The square naman, yung perimeter niya is 4 times S. So, 4 times yung isang value ng side. Area naman is side times side. Ang rectangle, ano lang naman siya? 2L, yung dalawang mahaba, dalawang maikli na 2W. 2W times 2L. Area niya is pag multiply mo lang yung dalawang sides, magkaibang ng haba. So sa circle, meron tayong 2 pi r sa perimeter na A is equal to pi r squared. Dito, kadalasan, given naman yung r, yung radius ng circle, yun lang yung kalam mong isipin. So, plug in mo lang siya. Ganun lang din sa parallelogram. 2A plus 2B, tapos area is baseline. So, sides yung A tsaka B, set yung madali lang siya, plug in play lang. Ganun din sa volume and surface area. So, sa prism, ano lang siya, length times width times height, length times width times height. Tapos, sa surface area, ano na siya, 2 times quantity ng area ng length times width, area ng length times height, area ng width times height. So, kunin mo lang yung area na itong bottom section, itong width times height na to, itong length times height. So, ito yun. Sa pyramid, ano lang siya, yung volume, 1/3 ng area ng base times height. So, kunin mo lang yung area ng base, square dito, tsaka yung height. Sa surface area, ganun lang din. Kunin mo lang yung base ng pyramid, yung area na, tapos yung perimeter ng each triangle times yung S ng S. So, sa code, ito naman siya. 1/3 pi r squared times height. Ito naman yung sa surface area. So, dito, majority naman dito, puro plug and play, given naman yung mga sides na kailangan mong gamitin. Kailangan lang siyang paalam. Next naman, punta tayo sa trigo. So dito, ano lang naman, meron lang tayong mga identities. So, meron sa trigo, gagamit tayo ng right triangle. So ito siya. Meron tayong hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. Opposite. So ito yung angle na theta, theta natin. Ito yung right angle. So para mo kung may sin theta, ano lang siya, opposite over hypotenuse. Pag cosine theta naman, adjacent over hypotenuse. Pag tan naman, opposite over this. The second, ano lang siya, reciprocal ng sine. So, magiging hypotenuse over opposite. Si cosecant naman, reciprocal ni cosine. So, hypotenuse over adjacent. Si cotangent, reciprocal ng tangent. Adjacent over opposite. Diyan nagko-conclude yung list of formula para sa entrance exam. At ito yung last part ng video lecture nito, list of. Thank you.